In the beginning stages of my relationship with my girl, I fell off a lot of my good habits. Now I've gotten back on it. Like we talked about it and we corrected it, and now things are good. But I remember in the very beginning, I stayed over at her place, and we woke up and we have pizza leftovers and cake. And so for breakfast, guess what I ate? Now normally, let me preface this, whatever you say it, by saying I normally have vegetables and protein, nuts, healthy fats for breakfast. I've been doing that for a while now. But when I was with her, I ate pizza and cake. And I think we smoked after. And from that morning up until I went home, I felt like crap. Like, I didn't do anything. I wasn't productive. I felt lazy. And when I was driving home and I got home, I still felt lazy. I still felt groggy. I still felt like I just, ugh. But I was hungry. And I was low-key craving a salad. So I ate the salad. And no cap, literally, after I took the first bite, I felt my energy come back. Like, it punched me in the face. Like, here I am. Like, I just felt so good again. I felt like my energy came back. I finished the salad. And suddenly, I wasn't lazy anymore. I wasn't feeling like crap. I was productive. I felt good. And I spent the rest of that day on my grind, doing things, getting things done, and going to bed feeling accomplished. And it all came down to what I fed myself. Think about that. A lot of people want to achieve more, but one of the biggest things is they just don't feel like it. They don't have the energy. They feel drained. They feel foggy. And you don't understand why? They don't understand why. The reason is because your energy comes from the state of your health. Your energy is like, it's like the gas you put in a car. You get it moving. If there's the wrong gas in the car is going to mess up. It's not going to move. It's not going to get you to where you want to go. And no matter how much you step on the gas and you think, come on, let's go, we got to go, the car isn't going to do it. And if it does move, it's going to be rumbling, it's going to be messing up, it's not going to perform how you want it to. But if you put the right gas on it and you step on the pedal, it will go. And the same thing applies to you. If you put the right foods inside of you, you will have that energy. You're not going to feel lazy. You're not going to feel like drained or groggy. Any of that stuff. You will feel like, oh, wait, I can do this. And you actually do it. Your health matters so much when it comes to the goals you want to achieve. When it comes to being your best self. When it comes to putting in the time and focusing. The food you put in your body is going to determine how well you can do that. Now, the only problem is most of us eat like crap. And it's not our fault. We were born, like, literally, you came out the womb and they shoved the chicken nugget in your mouth from McDonald's. Like, we were not taught how to eat well. So the only foods I would recommend cutting out of your diet so that you can finally have the energy needed and you can give your body what it needs so that you can achieve your goals is cut out sugar, cut out sweets, and half down your consumption of carbs. Half it. So that doesn't mean you have to cut out carbs entirely, but just half that amount. If you cut out sweets and carbs, you're pretty much good. Oh, and also, junk food, fast food, and you just move over to eating whole food ingredient foods. Like primarily, I'm talking about not whole food, but single ingredient food. So like, if you go get a chicken and look at the ingredients, all you're gonna see on that ingredient list is chicken. If you get a can of sweet peas and you turn around, you'll see something like sweet peas, water, salt. Like, these are easy ingredients that don't include like dulu. Like, I can't even pronounce like, if you get a bag of Doritos and you look at all the 50 ingredients, I can't even make a fake name to pronounce the crazy ingredients they put in these processed foods. And if I can't even pronounce and even come up with a word that's similar to something like that, there's no way that should be in your body. that stuff is killing you. What you really want to replace your diet with are foods with ingredients you can read, you can understand. Because all that processed food is draining your energy. It's literally killing you. And if you truly want to succeed, part of success comes from having the energy to do what it takes to get success. And since energy comes from your health, that's something you have to really prioritize. And is this easy? It's not. This requires a lifestyle change. Honestly, when it comes to achieving greatness, there's so many things about your life that you have to change. There's so many things about my life. I promise you, if you saw me 4 or 5 years ago, you would not see the same person. I feel like I'm living a whole new life because I changed so much about me, because I took my goals seriously, because I do not want to live a life where I have to work for someone else into retirement. I want to live a life where I'm in control, where I'm the leader, and I'm helping others gain control that they want. And to get that type of lifestyle, I have to do things differently. And one of those things is I have to eat differently. You're gonna have to too. And I'm not saying you have to make a drastic change right now. I'm just planting seeds in your mind so that you can go through the gradual changes needed to make the change needed to reach your goals. I know I didn't want to keep saying the word change, but that kept coming out of me. But I'm literally just trying to plant a seed in your mind right now so that you can make those small changes to your diet, and then you'll start noticing how much energy you have, how much brain focus you have, and you'll be able to get so much done, achieve so much, and literally go to bed feeling proud of yourself because of what you did. So I want you to look at your actions. Look at your actions. And I'm sorry, I was looking at the script because I'm trying to figure out like where I'm at right now. But look at your actions and tell me what it says about the state of your health. Because if right now you aren't really doing much and you're just struggling to get up and move and function, and you just feel tired all the time and you're groggy, probably means you have a bad diet. And there's other things too. But I'm telling you, the top 3 things you can fix right now that make the biggest difference in your life is your sleep, getting more sleep, fixing your diet, and getting more exercise, moving around. Like, that's literally it. If you focus on those 3 things, you will see a big difference in your energy, your drive, your level of productivity, and you'll be someone that people look at and it's like, how do you like this? Like, you seem like a superhuman being. Little do they know you're doing the basics to take care of your health, and it's showing, because most people aren't doing the basics to take care of their health, and it shows. So think about that. Are you doing the basics? Are you taking care of your health? And if you aren't, then it's time to get started. And if you are, good job. Keep going. Now we got to the end of this video and you are pumped up and you want to get your health together. That's one of your goals. But you also have other goals and you don't know how to start. Don't worry. I've got a starter kit in my description. It's to help you get your life together. You can go check it out if you want it. If you don't want it, don't worry. I just want you to know that it's there. Ultimately, if you do care about your goals and you want to achieve them, there are some things you have to do differently. And one of those things is eating differently. Eat for your goals. Most people eat just to eat. And that's why they eat horrible. And that's killing their energy and killing their ability to achieve more. But if you want to achieve your goals, you got to eat for your goals too. And there's other things, but we won't get to in this video. Maybe in the next videos, which I will see you there.